Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3-2-1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel are beneficial or helpful when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave a emoji in the comment section if you want to see more of these types of videos. So in today's translation, we are going to be learning how to say good morning in Twi. Good morning in Twi. And also how to respond dependent on who is actually speaking to you. That's very, very important. So, good morning. There's a long and a short version. So let's start with the long version. The long version of saying good morning is Memawo akye. Memawo akye. Memawo akye. Good morning. Memawo akye. Memawo akye. Or the short version is Maakye. 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 The K and the Y gives off this sort of ch sound, like cheese. Ch. Maakye. Maakye. Let's go back to the long version and break it up. So, memawo akye. Me, my, or I. Ma, umma, bibia is like to give. Ma, wo, you. I give you morning. Essentially, I give you morning. Memawo akye. Or I give you a morning's greeting. Memawo akye. Memawo akye. Memawo akye. Or the shortened version, Maakye. 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 And how you would respond to that. So, depending on who is asking you the question, if it is an older man that is asking you that question, an older man, an elderly man, you would respond by saying, Yaa Agya. Yaa Agya. Yaa Agya. If it is an elder or older female, it would be Yaa ɛnua. Yaa ɛnua. Yaa ɛnua. If it is someone that is your peer or your sibling, it would be Yaa ɛnua. Yaa ɛnua. Ɛnua literally means sibling. Yeah, sibling. Yaa ɛnua. Yaa ɛnua. And if it's someone younger than you, your child, someone else's child, someone younger than you, it would be Yaa ɔba. Yaa ɔba. Yaa ɔba. Ɔba is a child. Yaa ɔba. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.